Good evening, students. Welcome to Papia Ma'am's classes. Today, I am going to discuss the very important CBSE revised syllabus for English for class 10 and 12 for this session, that is 2021-22. Today, CBSE has given the biggest update for which the children were waiting for in this pandemic situation. So, according to this new assessment policy, keeping the COVID situation in mind, the entire term has been divided into two terms, term 1 and term 2. So, now I am going to discuss the term 1 and term 2 weightage for class 10 and 9 and 10, and then for class 12. You can see, children, that for class 10 the entire section has been divided in this way: reading section 10 marks, writing and grammar 10 marks, literature 20 marks. So it comes as 40, and internal assessment 10 marks. So the first term is going to be assessed out of 50. And this is the biggest information, that all the question answers will be in the form of MCQ. And the same is for term 2. But for term 2, both subjective and objective questions will come. In term 1, only MCQ questions will come. Now we come to class 12. For English class 12, the subject code is 301, and for class 10 the subject code was 184. Just now I have discussed. Now 301 English code, for this the reading section is again divided into two part, that is 8 plus 6, 2 comprehensive passages will be there. Writing section 3 plus 5, 8 marks, and literature Flamingo 11 marks and Vistas 7 marks. So it comes as 40 marks. Along with that 10 marks ASL. It comes as 50 marks. Now as per your preparation is concerned, so this is the latest syllabus given by CBSE. So questions based on the following kinds of unseen passages to assess your interference, evaluation, vocabulary, analysis and interpretation. And for this, two passages will come. One is discursive passage and another is your for your second one, that is for your discursive passage, the next is so we were here discursive passage and another case based factual passage. Discursive passage means any type of discussion. Okay, it can be based on your any fact or anything. And case based factual passage means where some case is discussed and some facts are given. Okay, like that. Now writing skill, formal letter based on the given clues for your term 1, letter to editor, letter of complaint official and letter of complaint business. Okay, now many children, they have asked me today that ma'am, how the questions are going to come for writing section. So it is sure and certain that MCQ questions are going to come, and for that, children, you have to think in a different way. You have to prepare for the way as if you are going to do the subjective question, but the questions may come in the form of that give the suitable subject, or if it is your letter to editor, so the concluding part, then certain information in the form of MCQ, in the form of fill in the blanks, option choosing. Okay, so like that. Now for your grammar, these are the topics. It is same for class 9 and 10. Tenses, modals, subject verb concord, that is subject verb agreement, determiners, reported speech, command and request, statement and questions. Generally command, request, statement, question, they comes as do as directed questions. Acha. Next is your literature section. Now see, these are the chapters from First Flight, A Letter to God, Nelson Mandela, Two Stories About Flying, from the Diary of Annie Frank, 100 Dresses, Part 1, Part 2. Okay, for your term 1, keep in mind term 1 is not going to be repeated for term 2. Term 2 syllabus is meant for term 2 only. Term 1 is meant for term 1 only. Now poems, Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, Tiger in the Zoo, and the Ball poem. And from your footprints, A Triumph of Surgery, The Thief's Story, and Footprints Without Feet. So CBSE has reduced a lot syllabus. Acha, now term 2, it is the same discursive passage and case-based factual passage, letter of order and letter of inquiry. Keep in mind, writing section, analytical passage, that is actually it is more or less the same. The analytical passage, they implies the statistical data, case-based passages. And next is your grammar totally it remains the same. And literature, these are the chapter other than what we have prepared in term 1. Okay, so exclusively for term 2, Glimpses of India, Madam Rides a Bus, The Sermon at Banaras, The Proposal, Poems, Amanda, Animal, Tale of Custard, The Dragon. And Footprints, The Making of a Scientist, Necklace, Hack Driver, and Bholi. Got it? Now we are coming for your this one, that is for your class 12. So this is for class 12, and for class 12 the weightage I have already discussed, that is 8 plus 6 14, writing 3 plus 5, and Flamingo total 18, Flamingo and Vistas, and ASL. Now how term 1 and term 2, how it is divided, you can see in the same page. It is given term 1 and term 2. For your reading comprehension, both term 1 and term 2, it carries 14 marks. For term 1 MCQ, for term 2 it is also MCQ, both reading section it is MCQ for both the terms. Now for writing section, term 1 it is MCQ, and for writing section term 2 it is subjective. Okay, there lies the difference. And for literature, term 1 and term 2, term 1 exclusively in MCQ questions, and term 2 MCQ plus subjective questions. Okay, and the total it comes as 50 plus 50. The entire calculation will be based on the weightage of term 1 plus term 2. Okay, so CBSE is going to publish new sample papers, question banks, and I hope that in the next video I will discuss about the latest updates again that will be given by CBSE. Okay, so let's hope probably the schools will open or maybe the online classes will go on. This syllabus is going to be followed. Okay, thank you children. Thank you all.